sesiyazi ukuthi i-derivative with respect to x ya natural log of x 1 over x. Uma sithi ke i-derivative with respect to x ka log base b uba uma sifuna ukwazi lokho kuzomela sishintshe i-base, kumele sazi i-change of base formula ukuze sikwazi ukushintsha i-base ukuze sikwazi ukuthola umphumela. Sizothi ke i-change of base formula yethu isisiza ukuthi sithole i-base esikwaziyo ukuyisolva u-e mhlawumbe. So it's ke log b to the power of x equals natural log of x over equals log e to the power of x over log e to the power of b equals natural log of x over natural log of b. Natural log of x over natural log of b. Log kusho ukuthi kuyafana nokuthi derivative with respect to x ka 1 over natural log of b natural log of x 1 over natural log of b ebese sinala sino times natural log of x. Sizokhipha ku 1 over natural log of b la sithi ke 1 over natural log of b derivative with respect to x ka natural log of x, natural log of x, natural log of x. Sivale ebese lokhu ke kusinika u1 over x bese lokhu kona sosala no natural 1 over natural log of b times 1 over x. Lokho kusinika 1 over natural log of b times x, 1 over natural log of b times x. Ngakho ke umuntu methi mhlambe i-derivative ka log asithi base 5 to the power of x equals siyazi ukuthi 1 natural log of 5x